So here in the console itself we can run the program, but problem is we cannot able to use it very conveniently. So for that purpose only we will be going for the IDE, so integrated development environment. Okay, so for installing that, so just go to the Google, you can download the R Studio. So simply type R Studio. Okay, download the R Studio is there. So it is available for separately Windows, Mac and Linux. So you are going to download for Linux. Okay, around 130 MB only it is going to be there. Okay, you have to download R Studio Desktop, not the R Studio Server. Okay, both are free to showing, but you have to download the R Studio Desktop version only. Okay, so if you click there means here it will come Ubuntu 18 plus or Debian 10 plus is there, right? So this one only you have to download. So the extension for most of the Ubuntu environment is .deb. Okay, in case if you are planning to download any other different software also, this extension only you have to follow for Ubuntu based Linux distribution. Okay, for other types it will change, the extension will change. Okay, as of now you focus on this R Studio 2022, this particular version. Okay, so once you have downloaded, it will be stored in the download section, right? So here you can see R Studio has been downloaded. So now I'm going to either by double click also you can run this particular application like how you will use it in Windows. Okay, but I wanted I want you to see how we can use it, like execute this particular application from terminal. Okay, from terminal how to use it you will see. Okay, so for that first you have to go to that particular directory, cd space, then now which directory we want to go, downloads. Okay, d caps. Okay, otherwise it will say that particular directory is not available, like that it will show. Okay, so download or downloads, that spelling you just make sure downloads. Okay, so it has entered into download section. So now to check what are all the items present inside the directory, what command you will use? ls is enough, right? Just to see. So currently I'm having only one file. Okay, so now to install it from the terminal, the command which you are going to use is, note it down. See, I am using this hash because it is a command. Okay, I'm not running it freshly. I have already installed, so that's why I'm giving like this. Okay, so sudo, okay, dpkg, okay, package, and then space hyphen I, okay, and then R Studio. Okay, you don't need to give the full file name also, simply if you are giving R Studio, okay, like hyphen star, if you mention star means it will complete the entire file name. Okay, this is one way. Either you can give star in case you don't know the entire file name, or if you are in the correct directory means just by giving the tab space. Okay, if you click the tab means, see, it will automatically detect the file and it will complete the file name. Okay, so either way you can do. Okay, I'm just giving the star itself because easy to you know do. Okay, so once you have given, so it will be like running and it will ask, do you want to continue all these things, it will ask. You just have to give Y and then it will be installed in your system Ubuntu environment. Okay, so again if you go and check in the show applications, okay, you can find the R Studio here. Okay, so this R is for command line environment, this is for GUI environment.